Here's how to make this really cool 3D effect in Scratch. So now I'm going to use this arrow as an example. I'm going to make a custom block, 3D effect, repeat, add an input, repeat, label X, input X, label Y, input Y, add a label direction, add an input direction. Now I can click run without screen refresh, drag this down here, drag this guy out here, and when green flag clicked, repeat 30 times, go to 0, 0, and point in 90 degrees. So now I'm going to do clear graphic effect, hide, go to X and Y, in direction 90, and now repeat, change brightness by -2, create clone of myself, and change Y by -1. And now, when I start as a clone, go to back, show, and now if we look, we have this super sick 3D looking effect. Now to make it cooler, we can do forever, turn 15 degrees. Oh, way too fast. We'll go up like a 2. And now as you can see, it looks super 3D and super cool. But I must warn you, if I duplicate this, and let's say, for example, I choose a sprite, let's do this ball for an example. If I just make these guys don't do anything, and then I go into here, now you can see it looks super wonky. You can see it rotate, but you can't really tell that it's a ball. So this only works for a couple specific objects. And the super good example is the arrow, which does in fact look really cool. Something I might be able to fix it is change color by -2, and let's just see what that looks like. I mean, it adds a little bit of effect, but you can really customize it to your liking. Let me try that with this. Change color by -2. Now let's get rid of this. Now if we zoom in here, you can see it changes the color a bit. And that's basically how you make a cool 3D effect. I'm like mesmerized by it. Now what if I repeat this 100? Oh, now it's a really big arrow. It's pretty neat. What if I wanted to point this in direction 0? It won't really matter. It's just going to start up here. I'm going to put this back to 90 and 30. And that's your basic 3D tutorial. If you enjoyed the tutorial, like and subscribe for more. Bye!